Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the exact file structure and media. Make sure the USB is 8 GB or larger and formatted XFAT or FAT32. Once formatted, create the folder's Ps5/update on the root of the drive and copy the file named Ps5update. PUP into that update folder. You need the official latest firmware file, download it, and confirm the file size matches PlayStation notes. Now safely eject the USB. Do not rename files. The console only power down the Ps5 fully and wait about 30 seconds after the light goes out. This prevents accidental restarts. Then press and hold the power button for roughly 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. This boots safe mode. Once in safe mode, plug the prepared USB into a rear port and connect a dual sense controller with a cable. Select Update System Software, then Update from USB storage device. The console will scan the Ps5/update folder and begin installing the firmware automatically. After the install begins, let the Ps5 complete the process. Do not turn the console off. It will restart when finished and may run additional setup. If the update fails, first reformat the USB drive, try the other file system, FAT32 or exFAT, and copy the file again into Ps5/update. Also test a different USB drive and use a rear USB port. Make sure the file name and folder path are exact. If problems persist, rebuild the database in safe mode before retrying the USB update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.